Welcome to my channel Smart Learning with Taruna. Students, nowadays we are hearing many disturbing news about students taking extreme steps, and most of the time the reason is not marks, not teachers, not even studies, it is silence. Many students don't share their problem with parents. इसलिए नहीं कि उन्हें लगता है पेरेंट्स उन्हें प्यार नहीं करते या उनका ध्यान नहीं रखते, बिकॉज दे आर स्कैर्ड. They are scared that parents will not understand them. उनको लगता है they will not listen to them. उनको लगता है parents will judge them. They are scared they will get angry. Sometimes they are scared that they will compare them with others, and sometimes they even feel that parents will be hurt. But today I want to tell you one thing clearly. Silence hurts more than truth. So speak up, children. You know, many times most of the student thinks that parents are not educated enough to guide them, but education is not the only degree. It is also experience. पूरी ज़िंदगी उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ काम किया है, अपने टाइम बिताया है, जिस स्टेज पर वो हैं आज, जिस उस पर वो खड़े हुए हैं, just because of their hard work. So parents have seen life before you. They have faced failures and they have stood up again and again. So I think it is because of the lesson they have learned from the life that they can guide you. Some students think that generation gap is there, but what is this generation gap actually? Parents cannot be of your age. Is it possible to have same age parents? No. Parents are always elder to you, but that doesn't mean that they're outdated. आपके parents ही हैं जो आपको नई टेक्नोलॉजी से इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं, आपको नई नई चीज़ें लेकर के देते हैं. They grow with their time, they modify themselves with the changing world. So there are so many things which are told by the parents many times. I have seen the parents behaving like friends with their children. So where come this word generation gap? Generation gap, you can to some extent can say it is with the grandparents, but आजकल grandparents भी educated हैं, just like me. If I'm a grandmother, I can be very friendly with my grandchildren. Sometimes students don't share because they feel peer pressure कि friends क्या कहेंगे, वो कहेंगे. Don't share with your parents, they will react. Sometimes they tell अरे देख अब इतना बड़ा होके भी parents को अभी बता रहा है. Remember one thing, parents आर फॉर द लाइफ एंड फ्रेंड्स आर फॉर द मोमेंट्स. लाइफ में बहुत ऐसे चांसेस होते हैं, ऐसे सिचुएशंस होती हैं, ऐसे सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं व्हेन यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ टू कम बैक टू योर होम. आपको पता है घर पे आपके पेरेंट्स आपके इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. दे आर देयर टू गिव यू इमोशनल, सोशल एंड आई विल से फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट ऑल्सो. सो चिल्ड्रन, स्पीक अप एंड शेयर विद योर पेरेंट्स. Research also supports this. When children talk freely with their parents, a hormone called oxytocin is released. It is called bonding hormone. It increases trust, it increases emotional safety. But when children keep everything inside, they stop sharing, then another hormone is released, cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol causes anxiety, tension, poor decision making, emotional breakdown. So silence is not strength, silence is pressure. When students don't share their problems, they suffer from anxiety, stress, wrong decision, sometimes even exploitation by others. Some wrong people take advantage of their silence. That is why my message to every student is please speak up. Your parents may feel hurt for a moment, but they will never let you break down. They will always support you. आपने देखा होगा लाइफ में बड़ी situations, बड़े circumstances ऐसे होते हैं when you feel that when you go back to your home, you will get social, moral, even financial support also. किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में घर से ज़्यादा सेफ कुछ नहीं होता. पेरेंट्स वही हैं जब आपने बिना कुछ कहा तब भी वो समझ गए, एंड दे हैव ब्रॉट यू अप द वे you are now. So my message to parent is sometimes not always listen without reacting immediately, because when children feel safe they open their hearts. बच्चे की छोटे छोटे एक्शन पे, छोटे छोटे एक्टिविटीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए. बच्चा चुप क्यों कर गया है, वो पढ़ाई से डिस्ट्रैक्ट क्यों हो रहा है, फैमिली से दूर क्यों हो रहा है, फ्रेंड्स में ज़्यादा मिक्सअप क्यों हो रहा है, उसका क्लासरूम बिहेवियर क्या है. कीप एन आई ऑन इट एंड वेरी अफेक्शनेटली एंड वेरी फ्रेंडली वे में आप बच्चे को एडवाइस करिए. उसको ये फील ना होने दे दैट द एनवायरनमेंट इज़ गेटिंग टॉक्सिक फॉर हर. एक छोटा सा स्टेप कई बच्चों का जीवन बता देगा, बच्चे का फ्यूचर बन जाएगा. यू विल फील प्राउड पेरेंट, और जो हमारा बच्चा है वो फील करेगा प्राउड चाइल्ड. सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.